amidst the majestic natural scenery, where rolling mountains embrace the deep blue sky. A modern construction project stands out as a vibrant highlight. On the dark brown earth, the powerful Doosan excavator extends its metal arm, its bucket swiftly scooping up earth and rock. The roar of the engine echoes, blending with the sounds of work, creating an inspiring symphony of labor. Behind, houses with bright red-tiled roofs nestle under the cool green shade of trees, bringing a sense of peace and prosperity to the Vietnamese countryside. In the distance, white clouds drift lazily, casting shadows on the ground, creating a beautiful natural painting, harmonizing the power of industry and the gentle beauty of nature. You can, of course, adjust this translation to better suit the specific nuances and style of your video. Welcome to our video. Today, we'll explore the operation of a powerful excavator on a lush green hillside. Ever wondered how big projects are built? Join us as we learn about the land clearing process with an excavator in this video. The orange excavator stands out against the reddish-brown earth, its powerful bucket digging the first layers of soil. Behind the excavator is a lush green forest, creating a beautiful natural backdrop. Daylight shines down on the hillside, casting long shadows on the ground. The excavated soil is loaded into trucks for transport elsewhere. This work requires the skill and experience of the excavator operator. The land clearing process creates flat areas for building houses, roads, or other structures. Let me know if you'd like any other phrases translated.